Hi, welcome to the YC Center. I want to take you for a very short tour. Come. So this is where we sit. This is the green screen. Lockdown के बीच में, and so that's how it is. This is come. This is where the other screen comes. So young people have designed this. That's where we work on. Alright, let's go to the other one. Packing is going on. I'll tell you why. Come to the inside room. Alright, come here. This is where all the admin work. Come inside. That's you can see. And they're talking. It's not disturbed. That's another one. This is the admin section, and you see the other screen. Most of you would have seen this in the Carol nights. That's how it is. That's a setup for Zoom meetings, Zoom events. Alright, let's go ahead. Packing is going on. All of them. ये लोग सब कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. You can take a look at them. Yes, that's happening. This is the kitchen. Just take a look. Come inside. Yeah, provides food for 10 to 15 people per day. So and lots and lots of unlimited supply of chai. So this is the kitchen. Alright, look at this. Okay. Spotlight, you can see this right now. This is gonna come soon. So I'm revealing something which is not told, but you're the lucky ones. Right? Let's go up. That's the locality where we are in. This is Vikaspuri JG2. And that's the view. Not bad, huh? Alright, this is the upper room. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, did you capture this? What trying to do something on the camera. That's more cartons, more boxes. काम चल रहा है, सफाई हो रही है, packing हो रही है. Let's come inside. This is alright. This is where we practice. This is the hall. This room becomes a Bible study room. This becomes a taffy room. This becomes a practice room. So this is a multi-purpose room that we have, right? This is something exciting. Let me show you. You know what's this? Take a look at this. Come inside. Take a look. This is our studio. That's where we have recorded most of the songs that you've seen on YouTube. So this thing comes in, blankets for soundproof, and that's what it is. Again, there's so much stuff lying here, so much cartons. Yeah, this is it. Last room. Let's come inside. This is alright. Come in. Things are working again. So much stuff. Yeah, you can just say hi.
Hi.
Okay, that's girls, ladies, all of them would be working there. That huge table belongs to them because they are multitasking. So, alright, come on, we have been here for the last more than 15 years. Okay, this is a good background. 15 साल से भी ज़्यादा हम इस जगह पे रहे हैं. This whole place has made impact on thousands of lives. I have grown here. We all have grown here. All these volunteers, all these people, they have come to know the Lord here. And this place has been a blessing for us, especially for Youth for Christ Delhi. But now time has come for us to leave this place. We've been asked to vacate. This is on rent. And we are so grateful to the owners. They were quite patient with us. बट नाउ वी हैव टू मूव आउट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस। हम लोग को ये जगह छोड़नी है क्योंकि हमें छोड़ने के लिए कहा गया है। और इस जगह ने बहुत सारे लोगों का जीवन बदला है। कई सालों से, 15 साल से भी ज़्यादा हम इस जगह, इस एरिया में रह चुके हैं और बहुत लोगों ने यहाँ पे काम किया है। अब समय आ गया कि ये जगह को हम छोड़ें। हम बस आपके सामने एक चैलेंज रखना चाहते हैं कि प्रार्थना करिए कि प्रभु हमें ऐसी जगह दे जहाँ पे हम प्रभु का काम जिस तरह से होना चाहिए, और स्पेशली हम हमारे एक सेंटर के हिसाब से जिस तरह से दिल्ली यूथ फॉर क्राइस्ट काम कर रहा है, उस तरह की जगह प्रभु हमें प्रोवाइड करें। अभी फॉर द टाइम बिंग हमारे पास जगह है। वी विल बी मूविंग आउट टू प्लेस दैट वी हैव टेकन, लेकिन हमारी ये प्रार्थना है कि प्रभु हमें आने वाले समय में ऐसी जगह दे जहाँ पे हम काम कर सकें फ्रीडम के साथ। वहाँ पे जगह हो जहाँ पे जवान लोग भी काम कर सकें, वॉलंटियर्स आ सकें, हम लोग म्यूजिक बना सकें, हम लोग बाइबल स्टडीज कर सकें, प्रभु को वचन पढ़ सकें, सीख सकें और सिखा सकें। जस्ट अ मिनट। Yeah, okay. Sam and Vineet, when I'm behind the camera, the other one's working. When I'm on front of the camera, the other one's working behind the camera. तो जब मैं पीछे होता हूँ ये आगे होते हैं, ये आगे होते हैं, मैं पीछे होता हूँ। That's how it works. So God has blessed us with the people who have skills and talents, and we just pray that we continue to do what we do.
Moving from one place to another is not easy. I'm sure a few of you at least would have a experience of it, but our experience of this time is very different, unlike what we have had in the previous years. Almost around 20 years back we came in this area, and at that time the transition, however it was quite a challenge, but God was the faithful one, provided every bit that we required, and the leadership that was there then was definitely kind enough to guide us and prepare us for what we had next. And of course the surprise element was always there, just as our God is. Moving out has mixed feelings, and in fact the feeling is of numbness. We can't express. So we are just trusting God, and we are believing that whatever He has in store for the next lap in our journey of ministry, we will definitely see greater heights. What else to say? What I want to say is not coming out. All I can say is, along with the team, that the faithful one who has brought us thus far will see us through. So even now, when people have stood by us, prayed for us, contributed, and you have provided in many ways, those who have just stood in the gap at this time of our need, we are so grateful to you.
क्या आप हमारे लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे? हमारे साथ जुड़ के क्या प्रार्थना करेंगे? That God will provide a place for Youth Christ Center in Delhi. Thank you.